All right, so we're just getting ready to head out for a ride here. We're going to go over and visit Jan and Sid at the Axman Anderson 130 Heats Wood Boiler project. So, should be a fun little ride. We've got the Canon camera mounted in back here. Let's see. Oops, sorry. That's how it mounts back there. Just a bunch of bungee cords, a really big clamp, and one of those cell phone gadgets attached to the back window. And that seems to work pretty good stabilization wise. Still need to get microphones, well, microphones that are better at this, because you still get a lot of wind noise out of that camera. So really you need a good external mic with a, furry kind of cover on it to kill the wind noise. So we're working on getting them. Apparently there's a bunch of them. Apparently some are good, some aren't. So we'll probably buy a couple of them and see how well they go. But anyway, let's go for a drive. Spend a whole lot of time driving with the windows up because it's hot and humid out today. So we'll just get a few clips of acceleration runs when we have the windows closed. Barn being built here. Well, actually, I guess it's built now. Looking pretty well done. Nice. through the twisties. On the big brakes, man, these things work great. Oh, yeah. Second gear stuff. Wow. More second gear. Gravel on the road. Hard over the hog hump. Dirt. And there we are. And over the windows. Well, all right, we just got back from our fun little ride. The brakes work great. I mean, we weren't pushing it that hard, but we were pushing it hard enough. I mean, you could definitely tell that these brakes work better, and the brace, the firewall brace, is actually working better. I got it parked in an angle out here in the sun, so the sun's shining in the engine compartment, so you can actually see the brace. Get my shadow out of the way here. So that's the bolt for the brake adapter, and this is the piece of angle that we have cut and welded and stuck in there. And as you can see, it's just wedged right in here up against this piece of the strut tower. That's it. It's pretty simple to make, and it definitely makes a difference. So yeah, we'll be probably driving it a lot more in the future, because wow, it is really fun. And next thing up is going to be fixing the odometer gear, so we can actually tell how many miles we're driving it, so we can figure out the gas mileage.